विद्यार्थी मित्रमैत्रिणींनो, आपण 9वीच्या पाठ्यपुस्तकामध्ये जे पॅरलल लाईनच्या संदर्भातले जे थेरम आहेत ते बघतो आहोत. याच्या आधी आपण बघितला इंटिरियर अँगल थेरम. आता आपण बघणार आहोत इंटिरियर अँगल टेस्ट. नाव व्हॉट इज द मीनिंग ऑफ थेरम? इंटिरियर अँगल थेरम and interior angle test. There is a difference in these two words, interior angle theorem, interior angle test. Now what is meant by theorem? If the lines are parallel, this is given information. It is given that lines are parallel, and if we are proving the properties of that particular angles, it may be about the interior angle, it may be about the corresponding angle or alternate angles, then this is the theorem. Means if it is given that lines are parallel, and then if it is proved that interior angles are supplementary, then this is interior angle theorem. It is proved that alternate angles are congruent, alternate angle theorem. It is proved that corresponding angles are congruent, corresponding angle theorem. Okay, now what is meant by test? Interior angles test means the property about the angle is given, and from that if we are proving that lines are parallel, then this is the test. Means if it is given that interior angles are supplementary and hence lines are parallel, this is the interior angle test. If it is given that corresponding angles are congruent, so lines are parallel, then it is corresponding angles test. If it is given that alternate angles are congruent and hence lines are parallel, then it is alternate angles test. This is interior angles test. Now what is given? Interior angles are supplementary. This is the property of interior angles, that interior angles are supplementary, and here it is given that interior angles are supplementary, and we will prove that lines are parallel. Now given angle BPQ plus, these are the interior angles, and PQD, these are supplementary angles. Interior angles are supplementary. Interior angles formed by a transversal, this is the transversal of two distinct lines. AB is line and CD is different line. They are supplementary. Then what we will prove? To prove that line AB is parallel to line CD. Okay. Now we will prove the theorem by indirect method. Indirect method. What is meant by indirect method? Now what is the proof? What we have to prove? Line AB is parallel to line CD, but we will take different assumption and prove that assumption is wrong. Means what? We will prove that line AB and line ACD intersect each other in point T. Suppose AB and CD. Okay, line AB and line CD intersect each other in one point. Now here is a triangle PQT. In triangle PQT, according to the property of triangle, sum of measures of all angles in triangle is 180 degree. So what will happen here? Angle DPQ plus angle DPQ. Okay, we will take TPQ. TPQ plus PQT plus PTQ is 180 degree. Property of the triangle, sum of measures of angles in triangle is 180 degree. Now TPQ. TPQ is nothing but BPQ plus PQT. nothing but PQD plus PTQ is equal to 180 degree. But given is that sum of measures of these two angles, which two angles? BPQ and PQD is 180 degree. It is given, plus PTQ is equal to 180 degree. So PTQ is 0. Okay, PTQ is 0. Now, according to the Euclid's postulates again, if the sum of measures of interior angles formed on one side of the transversal is less than 180 degree, then these two lines intersect each other. Agree? Sum of measures of interior angles formed on one side of the transversal, if it is less than 180 degree, then lines intersect each other. Here the sum of measures of two angle is 180 degree, means it is equal to 180 degree. Hence, to assume that these two lines intersect each other is not correct assumption. If line intersect each other, then addition of these two angles must be less than 180 degree according to the Euclid's postulates. If, again I am repeating, this is indirect proof. Euclid's postulate is that if lines intersect each other, then sum of measures of two angles will be less than 180 degree. Here we are assuming that lines are intersecting but addition is equal to 180 degree. It means that lines are intersecting lines. This assumption is wrong assumption. If this is a wrong assumption, then what is correct statement? Lines are non-intersecting. Non-intersecting means what? Lines are parallel lines. Hence, it is proved that line AB and line CD are parallel lines.